Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. This is for fire sign. Start na natin ng reading. I-cleanse ko lang yung space. Pakihinaan na lang ang volume. Okay, start na natin. Okay, so this is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa TikTok, etc. Yung mga social media platforms. Try mo siya dyan. Kahit dito sa YouTube, meron siya eh. Okay, so fire sign. Let's start your reading. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay, let's start your reading, fire sign. Okay. You do have here the Two of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Yan. This is you, fire sign. Maybe may mga decision yung kailangan gawin regarding this new beginning. I feel like with the Queen of Swords, yan. Maybe you want to take actions regarding something. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa usaping professional or career. The Seven of Wands, I feel like may mga bagay kang nalagpasan. And hindi mo akalain na kinaya mo yun. Hindi mo akalain na malalagpasan mo yung mga bagay na yun. The Hierophant, this is Taurus energy. I feel like you are currently learning a lot of lessons and at the same time, may natuturo ka rin na lesson sa iba or natututo ka rin mula sa iba. Ayan. And this is actually helping you with regards sa mga bagay na gagawin or hindi mo dapat gawin in the near future. So, a lot of lessons. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo mas gumagana ngayon ang isip mo, ngayon ang utak mo, dahil, might be marami kang iniisip especially regarding new beginnings, kung paano ito sisimulan, etc., etc. So, nandito yung focus mo ngayon. Okay? So, pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect ni fire sign? Gagamit ako ng ibang card, guys. Person nakakonect ni fire sign, spirit guides, angel guides. Person nakakonect ni fire sign. Person nakakonect ni fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, this is for fire sign. Ten of Wands. Wait lang, guys. Okay. The Page of Wands and the Ace of Cups. This person is someone who is like, nakikita ka niya as someone na responsibility, obligasyon, parang ganon. Pero I feel like gusto niya yung ginagawa niya, na ikaw ay obligasyon niya, na ikaw ay binibigay niya lahat sa'yo or sa inyo. I don't know, there could be children involved here with the Page of Wands. And I feel like mahal na mahal ka nitong taong to and nagiging open siya regarding sa emotions niya towards you. And I feel like with the Ace of Pentacles, ang focus niya rin kasi new beginnings. This person wants money. This is the Hermit, Virgo energy. And I feel like itong person ito pwedeng umaalis o lumalabas siya sa kanyang comfort zone with the Chariot, Cancer energy. And I feel like kung naman yung mga bagay na na iniisip niya ngayon or mga pinagdadaanan niya, I feel like masaya siya that you are there. Ganyan. And I feel like yung connection ninyo ng person na ito is very strong with the Strength card. Napakatibay, no? And with the Hermit, pareho kayo na kung ano man yung mga natututunan ninyo, pareho, ay nakakatulong para sa connection or sa future ninyo. So, yung iba, pwedeng may relasyon na kayo nitong taong to or might be, pareho kayo nag-grow together. Okay? So, ano yung emotions mo para sa kanya? for fire sign, please. For fire sign, please. Emotion mo para sa taong to. Emotion mo para sa taong to. The 7 of Swords is here. And the Temperance, clarify. One more card. Hindi ko to na-expect ha. Kasi this person, nagpapakita siya as someone na mahal ka. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagtitiis ka lang sa taong ito. With the Four of Swords, pwedeng hindi ka lang nagsasalita, but, you know, you don't feel anything anymore for this person. Wala ka nang pakialam. The King of Swords is here, so, ang focus mo na lang is money, yung career, you know what I mean? And with the with the 8 of Pentacles, maybe gusto mong mag-build ng something, like maybe ako, pera na lang ako, career, kailangan na lang tumabaho, ganito, ganyan. Honestly, wala akong naramdaman. Hindi mo na siya mahal. Okay? And, yung pagtitiis mo, nagtitiis ka kasi you're stuck, wala kang choice, kailangan mong magtiis, parang gano'n. So, kung may relasyon man kayo, pwedeng, kasi nga, wala kang magawa. Stuck ka eh. Okay, gustuhin mo mang umalis sa relasyon na to, hindi pwede. Or pwedeng kung yung iba, nakaalis ka man, then, you know, no more emotions. Emotion naman niya towards you. Like what I've told you, mahal ka na itong taong to. And you do have the Queen of Pentacles. Kasi hindi niya ibibigay lahat sa'yo kung hindi ka niya mahal. You know, I can just keep this for myself. Bakit kailangan ko pang ibigay sa'yo? And then, the Knight of Wands is here. So, there's a lot of passion mula dito sa taong to. And the King of Swords and the Three of Wands is here. So, might be itong person that is very professional din. And there's a lot of, I feel like may mga bagay kang ginagawa, ibinibigay, pinapakita sa kanya ng mga nung nakaraan, or nung araw, nung, you know, maybe a lot of years ago, or a few years ago, ganun, mga taon na rin yung iba. And nakikita natin na yun yung hinahanap niya, yun yung namimiss niya, yung ganong klaseng style ng kung paano ka magpakita ng emotions para sa kanya. So, this person missed that kind of feeling. And, yun nga, what will happen in the future for you and this person in the near future, fire sign? In the near future for fire sign, please, in the near future. 2 of Cups is here. Knight of Swords. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Judgment. The Hermit. The Hermit. It could be dealing with a Virgo. You do have here the Empress. Okay. And tell me more. Kamuy ako ng basura. This could be a reading. King of Cups. Okay. 5 of Pentacles. 4 of Wands. 5 of Wands. 2 of Swords. The Wheel. And the Page of Pentacles. Okay, this is the Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, nakakita tayo dito na might be there's some kind of problem with regards to stability or something stable sa connection ninyo. So, that could be a business, a house, etc. And nakikita natin, I can see money problems. I can see money problems in the near future. But, I feel like for some of you, may decision na gagawin regarding this Page of Pentacles. Okay? Maybe that could be money, decision regarding money, or decision regarding this person. For some of you, with the Wheel, magkakaroon ng big change sa connection ninyo nitong person na ito. And I feel like, malaking lesson ang matututunan mo kasama or with this person. Some of you, pwedeng magiging mas matibay ang relationship ninyo after nito, or yung iba, you would learn to love yourself. Alin man dun eh. Either itong, kung ano man itong challenge, big challenge na dumating sa inyo nitong person. There's this big challenge, no? Hindi ko naman itatago sa inyo. Talagang meron. You have to get ready. And then, itong challenge na ito, financial problems, and etc. Either kayo ay mag-grow together or mas magiging mas matibay ang relationship, or you would learn how to get out of the relationship, the connection, and focus on yourself, love yourself. Okay, dalawa lang yan. And actually, ang choice ay nasa iyo or nasa inyo kung paano nyo ito i-handle. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.